The May 22nd tornado left its mark in Jefferson City on Ellis Boulevard, destroying several buildings, but one church is proving they can overcome the damage it left behind. KOMU 8's Marissa Rios is in studio to tell us about a milestone the church celebrated today.
Ethan, the Community Christian Church celebrated the recovery of its columbarium this afternoon. That houses funeral urns, and as church members told me today, they're at peace knowing loved ones are back in their resting place. A special Sunday service, this time outside to recognize recovery after an EF3 tornado.
No branches all over the place anymore, and it's nice to see it complete, one complete whole piece of the church.
Ellis Boulevard in Jefferson City felt the brunt of the May 22nd tornado. Community Christian Church sits on that street.
The trees on one side of the church were falling one way, and on the other side they were falling the other way.
But now,
today we're celebrating what I refer to as a milestone in recovering from the tornado to rededicate the columbarium.
Church members gathered to celebrate the completion of the columbarium, a wall holding the urns of loved ones. Church member Dan Flack says it's nice to see his father have a home again.
Whenever we put him back in there, we put him right where the sun is. So he'll get to see the sun rise every morning. So
Flack says the tornado damage and recovery efforts leave behind an important message.
To know that the tornado is not the end of everything. It's the beginning of a rebuilding process, and that it's a long road ahead, but we'll make it there.
The actual church building still needs major repairs both inside and outside. Church members hope to have the church restored by next summer. In the studio, Marissa Rios, KOMU 8 News.